Hello friends, here I will show you how to order a chart for a particular route. We are using the software provided by CNC Marine, which is called eMariner planning station device. So they have launched this new software, this eMariner Nav Solutions. So I will tell you how to use this software in this video. Let it open. This is used for updating the charts and ordering the charts. That's it, nothing else. So let's go. uh, you need to if you want to create a route, then create a route with this button. This is the creating route here. So if you want to create, press it here and then create waypoint to waypoint. And if you have the route made already in your ActDisk and you have it in your pen drive, then this is data management folder. Just go to I will show you how to actually do it. There are 6 pages. The first one is for import data. Go to USB, go to G drive, select any route which you want to import. It should be in .rtz format or .txt, .xml or anything like that, which is accepted by this software. Just open it, start. The route import will complete. Then this is A to B. This is for routes only. Your route will come here with name route exchange. If you want to rename, then rename it. Like this is for Swiss to Rotterdam, and then select it, close. See, your route has been imported already. So this is a good tip. If you do not want to waste your time, then create just a route if you have permits, so in Furuno or anything, or if you have the route with you yourself, then you can import the route here. The time will be saved. And if you want to check how many charts you want and all, so just if you have previous order here, this is the order basket. Click on empty basket. This V button will validate your route, so it will tell you how many charts and all you require. So it will take some time. Meanwhile, I will tell you what all these buttons. This is for order basket, this is for virtual keyboard. This button will give you software version and all, addition library. This is version. So sometimes they launch their new versions patch files, so you need to download it from their Dropbox. So this is system ID, license, everything you get here. This minimize, maximize, this is you need just what I have shown. That is the only use for this thing. And one more thing, if you want to change the not see it, the validation is completed. So only this, see, check on ENCs. These are ENCs which are all required. So for fast purpose, what I do, I come here and I select ENC proximity for 1 nautical mile, and then I validate the route. So it almost select all the charts which are required for the voyage. So just instead of checking which chart to order, which are not, almost This will give you exactly what are needed. So just click on add all to basket. Because sometimes this providers like CNC Marine and all, they cry to give charge for the money. So if it is coming 103, like it is coming 103 charge, so sometimes you can order it in part wise, like just close it, keep it zero only, and then check how much it is coming. Make it empty basket here. ENCs. Now add all to basket. 7980 charts. So it is good. 7980 charts, and it will take all which all expired and all, everything will be selected, but check if anything is written is expiring, it will not come here within 1 month if it is expiring. So you need to select it manually, and if you want to check one chart each and everything by one, add and override, then you can do it from here, no problem. Add or override whatever chart is there. So these are the 79 charts. So the main button is here only, and it shows you need, every time when you apply permit there is no need to apply base DVD, because it is saving the base DVD. Whenever the new base DVD comes, just run it, it will save it here, base 9 till base 1 to base 9. The green light shows that everything is working fine. Update 32, last permit was applied on week 30. Okay, and update status will show you how much how many charts you are having and how much they are updated and all. So to keep it synchronized, in the settings there is a button which is called auto compiler. See, these are the total ENCs and these are the not up to date and these are up to date. So keep it synchronized, to keep this auto compiler on every time, and every time when you apply new permit or update anything, just close the software and switch it on again, so it will compile it, and then take the ECDIS exchange set file to the ECDIS to update it. Okay, so now page 2 will show the ENCs what you want. If any, you can write here and it will come up. Page 3 is of no use, it is showing the ALRS boundaries. This is online update, we don't have it online facilities. Email update, just write the ship email ID, how much MB file you want, how many files you can receive, keep it on permitted. Create a file path which is sector C eMariner. If I click on start, update request will generate, then attach it and send it to captain. And this is for creating generate file for the ECDIS. Keep it on AVCS, select permitted, select the media file G, whatever your pen drive file is. Keep it AIO export off, so different folder will create, AIO and AVCS, two different folders will create. Then start export, then apply on ECDIS. That's it. This is the main function of this software, nothing else. And this is for validating a route which will tell you how many charts that is required. These are of no use, and this is daylight. That's it. This is for creating route, which I have already told you. Nothing much here. Let's order a chart. As I have it here 79 chart, it is saying. If I will order for the 79 charts, and later if I see anything extra is required as per Furuno, or anything which is missing in the chart, missing in ECDIS after applying these new permits, then I will order further if required. So let's order first this export order, not send order. By export order it will save in G drive. Okay, just close this. Every time close this, better to close it. then go to mail system, sent, and then send it to master. It will be, just remember, for exporting, importing, root or anything update, you need to connect the pen drive to the main computer where the CPU is. That's, you cannot copy it. By pen drive only you can export roots also. That's it for the software. Thank you guys. Bye. That was eMarine.